racing just is started. We have Wondrous Wind, break quickly at a start. Ooh, Lala's Gold, moving about the outside is Pasenciosa, Evox and Beyond Good, passing by the jet stand for the first time. We have Ooh, Lala's Gold by our length and a half. Pasenciosa in second. Wondrous Wind is running by the rail. Evox is racing in fourth, getting the white strip as they make the first turn is Beyond Good. And going along for the first turn, we have Ooh, Lala's Gold by our length and a half. Pasenciosa in second. Wondrous Wind is racing in third. Evox is down in fourth, and on the outside fifth is Beyond Good. Half mile distance they traveled. We have Ooh, Lala's Gold maintaining a 2.5 lengths lead, and in second is Pasenciosa, and in third comes Wondrous Wind, Evox, while Beyond Good is still racing in less. And at the fourth turn, we have Ooh, Lala's Gold by our length and a half. Pasenciosa in second. Evox is racing in third. Wondrous Wind, while Beyond Good still running at the tail of the field. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Ooh, Lala's Gold by about 3 lengths. Pasenciosa in second with about 150 meters more to run. We have Ooh, Lala's Gold now starting to race away, this time by about 6 lengths over Pasenciosa. And finally, Ooh, Lala's Gold. The second is Pasenciosa, Beyond Good, Evox, and Wondrous Wind.
Black Dacious pala yun kumi.
235.